Manipur DGP makes second visit to Kangpokpi district today to secure safe release of two kidnapped youths from Thopal. The DGP had also visited Kangpokpi district yesterday and reportedly interacted with leaders of CSOs. He returned at around 4 p.m. yesterday after meeting Kuki CSO leaders. He is likely to continue negotiation with Kuki CSO leaders today. It may be mentioned that Oinam Thoitoi and Tokchom Thoitoiba have been missing since Friday. They were reportedly kidnapped by Kuki militants when they entered Kangpokpi district on September 27th. However, surprisingly, one of the three persons who had gone with together was safely rescued by Central Security Forces. Chief Minister Biren had also given assurance that both centre and state government are working together to rescue the kidnapped youths.